Hello, guys. Good morning, good evening, and good night from wherever you are. Welcome to another trading analysis session. Let's begin. All right, so I took a trade on Euro JPY 30th of June. Currently in drawdown though. I'm going to keep you guys updated if anything happens. After a long wait, we have finally seen the push that we are looking for. And yeah, currently we're in 1:2 on Euro JPY. So it's currently the next day, and I'm looking at AUD USD, USD JPY, gold, and GBP USD. In USD JPY, I'm seeing equal low forming. And gold, we've got a trend line 2, by the way. The peak of the trend line is my target for GU. Trend line peak induced. What next? Going up and down, grabbing all the liquidity at the left, which is trend line liquidity. We went to check the alert on gold and saw it has broken significant structure, and now we're waiting for the downward push. And here's my remaining watch list in rapid succession. AUD USD giving us minimum trend line during Asia. USD JPY giving us a downward trend. And finally, gold is still pushing higher, no signs of reversals. AU is showing no signs of movement. So it's morning right now. And gold gave me a good entry, but I wasn't active in the market. This was around 6 o'clock in the morning. It was early and I was still sleeping at the moment, so I didn't enter this trade. AUD USD is finally moving down. GE on the other hand has grabbed liquidity, and we are waiting for the break and retest of structure to enter for a buy. Few minutes passed after the GU trade, and what the fuck am I seeing? Crazy moves, crazy moves, crazy moves. So I checked Forex Factory and I saw that there was a news by 1 o'clock. So this is the effect of the news after like 30 minutes of waiting after the news. The only pair not affected that much is gold, and yeah, it's induced my initial zone. It induced my initial zone and went for the higher zone up, and yeah, but I couldn't enter the other one because I entered the trade already, which is GU, so I couldn't enter this one, which was very unfortunate because it would have been a great entry and a great trade. But yeah, let's see what we got in the remaining pairs. So it's the next day and I'm seeing gold already giving us a good entry, and unfortunately again, I wasn't awake to catch this trade. It has started moving and I can't enter anymore. But maybe if it reversed, I might enter again. But like, I can't enter no more. So yeah, like I said, it's already dropping. So yeah, maybe we might look for 9.3 below. But for now, we just observe and see what will happen later on in the market. Yeah, on further look, I realized that I actually will have entered at this other entry here. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I've marked the next zone for me to enter, which will be the next break of that structure. If you can get a break and then the retest, I will enter from that zone. Hopefully, we get something like that. So the day is already ending, and let me just quickly check AUD USD, and as usual, we're still ranging. See you guys tomorrow. So it's Friday. What am I saying on Euro USD? Equal highs and the trend line. So what am I looking at after the trend line? An inducement of this trend line to grab the equal high above. So yeah, on Euro USD, we're also waiting for an inducement. Euro USD we have induced. We're just waiting for the break and retest to go lower on the trade. So yeah, what I'm expecting is yes, that zone. The zone will be the entry point for me. So we'll see what will happen. So nothing later happened on Friday, which was the end of the week. See you guys next week.